Hi, I'm Sherry Thomas, and I'm thrilled to be one of your plenary speakers for the Our Story, Our Faith conference. I'm currently an attorney practicing in Philadelphia, and I focus my career on representing the marginalized. I first moved to Philadelphia in the late 80s with my parents as we immigrated from Kerala. Like many of my peers, I struggled to navigate between the American and the Indian cultures, trying to figure out where I belong while not forgetting where I came from. But my story did not begin in 1987, and neither did most of my peers. Instead, my story was shaped and impacted by decisions made long ago by people I will never meet. Join me at this conference to listen and learn as we walk through how we got here and how we came to belong, but specifically through a legal lens. As an attorney, I've always been interested in how the law shapes our daily lives, regardless of whether we recognize it or not. Legal decisions don't live in a vacuum. Decisions made decades ago are impacting us today, and decisions made today will impact our future generations to come. We'll walk through landmark court cases and legislation, and consider who gets to decide who belongs and who gets to be here. This is especially important today as we consider our role as South Asian American Christians today in America. And we'll also learn that these issues have always been a hot-button topic. Don't worry, I've done all of the heavy lifting and all of the reading. You do not need to prepare, but please come and join me as we explore this topic together.